Did you know that the Forever Associates Zimbabwe, or FAZ, a ZANU PF affiliate organization, was notorious for setting up exit polls desks outside polling stations during the August 2023 elections? That's right, this seemingly innocuous act stirred up quite a storm. Now let's hark back to 2022. This was the year when FAZ first attracted widespread attention during the ZANU PF restructuring exercise. The party's primary elections the following year were even more contentious, with FAZ being accused of rigging the polls in favor of particular candidates. Fast forward to the infamous August 2023 harmonized elections. The role of FAZ in these elections was anything but subtle. Their agents set up exit polls desks outside polling stations, a move that drew both attention and criticism. An exit poll, for those who may not know, is a survey conducted right after voters leave the polling stations. Pollsters inquire about the candidate and party preferences of voters as they exit the voting location. Foreign observer missions to Zimbabwe's 2023 general elections, including the European Union Election Observer Mission, the Commonwealth EOM, and the Southern African Development Community EOM, were not amused. They raised concerns over the presence of FAZ in rural areas where its members allegedly intimidated voters. As we move closer to the present, we find that ZANU PF has now deployed FAZ agents to Harare East and Mount Pleasant constituencies ahead of by-elections. Ephraim Fundukwa, the ZANU PF provincial vice-chairman for Harare, has confirmed this, stating that the party has deployed FAZs and Heritage Trust members at each polling station in the by-elections. FAZ President Kudakwashe Munsaka has also echoed this sentiment, stating that his organization is always at ZANU PF's service. According to Munsaka, if the party deploys them to assist its campaign for any envisaged by-elections or any restructuring exercises for its organs, they will willingly oblige. To summarize, the role of FAZ in ZANU PF's election campaigns has grown from being a part of the party's restructuring exercise in 2022 to allegedly rigging the polls in 2023, and now to being actively deployed in upcoming by-elections. Their presence, while controversial, is a significant factor in ZANU PF's election campaigns.